So yeah,
Okay.
let me just give you a brief overview of guard mode on the client side, that is. Uh, Again, this is an agent or functionality that we built into the product here. You're able to download that guard mode agent directly from the support portal and install it to those machines that you want to monitor. But in this case, all we're doing is we're simply scanning in those security nodes. Um, that you have installed guard mode on, right? And this is where you can set up the security threshold checks so we can monitor the file entropy, randomness of the file, just to ensure that file signatures are okay. It's matching an actual file rather than an encrypted file. You can also set up block lists, and these are just patterns, file names that we can use to detect ransomware on your system, and special files monitoring. If you, let's say, wanted to monitor Etsy password or Etsy host in my example, these are just sending notifications for these file types. Threshold violations, honeypot settings, these are all configurable within the guard mode agent. And what you can do from an events perspective is, because it's built, this monitoring is built directly into DPX, it's all showing up as part of these events, login events, backup events that you're taking from the CalLogic DPX server. So if I, as a security administrator, want to now take a look at all the guard mode violations or ransomware detections that are occurring, I can perform a filter. I can set notification settings to email those alerts to myself. But this is internal to the engine of DPX here, showing me all the violations that are occurring, where they're occurring from, and being stored within the DPX database.